So what is the main issue in this election? Who's your main enemy, opponent, I should say, Congress or BJP?
As such, there is no enemy.
No enemy,
There
opponent.
is no match to TRS party, according to my understanding. Because today I think I have completed the tour of almost 100 segments of the state, and we are going to win with bumper majority.
But last time you only got 33% vote. That is not enough. Now if Congress and TDP votes combine, then you are in trouble.
The question is TDP has diminished here. Mr. Chandrababu Naidu is unfortunately doing a silly politics in this state. He has utterly failed in state of AP to deliver the people. He has failed. He's a flop there. You will see it in the course to come, time to come.
Sir.
But at the same time, he is trying to do some silly politics. How many seats he is contesting here? That itself is an indication.
Very few.
No, very few. That is only 13.
13.
Much less than what he won in the last elections. That means he has considered, he has agreed that his party is nowhere in Telangana. Had it been there, he would have contested singly.
You
He would
yourself
have
have said
contested on
that
his own. Why is he aligned with Congress? What is his policy? And he has no policy. He has no policy at all because whenever he likes, he goes and joins with BJP. He comes out and then he says it is a communal party. And then he joins Congress. Again he says Congress is a third class party. Don't support it. What is this nonsense? What he does, it's all people are laughing at him.
So you
He
yourself
has
have
become a
been,
laughing stock.
you yourself have been saying their party vote share has diminished, but you have been focusing a lot of your speech, should I say 50% of your speech, on Mr. Chandrababu Naidu.
Because I have to because he is doing some crooked politics here. It is really crooked, which he is not supposed to do.
What is crooked politics?
Definitely crooked because he has no role to play here. His party is diminished. He has opposed the construction of almost all Telangana projects. He has not allowed the High Court to be bifurcated. He has not allowed the corporations to be bifurcated. He creates a problem each and every day to the people of Telangana. Then how come he contests the election?
Sir, do you
Only with money power, some media manipulation. He is the best media manager. It is known to the whole country.
You are not bad either.
I am definitely bad when
Definitely
compared to
bad.
Mr. Naidu.
Do you see this as Uma has written that this election is more important than even Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan because this
Not
is
at all.
Do you see this
Not
semi-final?
at all. Not at all. Not at all.
Not more important.
Not at all. We will win this election. It will be a landslide victory. I am telling you. My point is, KCR today is for federal front in the country.
Federal
I am
front.
I am
Non-Congress.
for non-Congress, non-BJP.
If Congress is in it, you will not be part of it.
Not at all. There should be a non-Congress, non-BJP government in the center.
But say all the other opposition parties want the Congress also, then you will still not touch it.
What I mean to say is, I spoke to Mr. Stalin, I spoke to Mamata Banerjee,
Right.
I spoke to Mr. Deve Gowda. I am in touch with so many people.
Right, you are. Yes.
People are with my idea. Definitely, once these elections are over, things will be very clear. I'll be moving around the country. I'll appeal to the people. And Pranayji, I would like to say one thing very definitely, that there is a need for change of government, change of power from the hands of BJP and Congress. Why? Because.
So
Let me please tell you. It is the people of the country who will decide. Yes, when JP was alive, how Janata Party emerged, people have seen it. India, it's nothing new for the country to change the governments. The people understand it properly. See, the
You have
question
a
today
non-Congress,
is,
non-BJP.
sir, the question today is, question before the nation is, why the monopoly by BJP or Congress? Why they are centralizing the powers? Why they are strengthening the concurrent list of the Constitution of India? They are supposed to transfer so many subjects, you know. We are running a small primary school in a remote district. What the center is concerned with the school? What about a primary health center? Why health subject is with the center
So
till
for
today?
the role at the center,
Why
is that the reason why you also
why
advanced
the education
elections?
department? Why the agriculture department? States grow different crops. Why they are keeping it with them?
So one of the reasons you have advanced the elections, is it also so that you can be more prepared for a central role?
100% you are right. You are right.
So if you are going for a central role,
that mean-
and if you are going to go traveling around the country, who will manage the state? Will there be another chief minister?
See, Mr. Modi became Prime Minister when he was Chief Minister.
But then
So you're saying,
Being the Chief Minister also, I can do that.
so if you're offered
Nothing
to be,
prevents me.
if you're offered Prime Minister, you
No,
will
not
take
Prime
it?
Minister, I'm
If
sorry.
you are,
I am not for the sake of becoming Prime Minister or any other thing. I am for the sake of a change in the country.
Right.
I am a warrior. I am KCR. I am not a beggar.
Tell
Yes,
me-
I have proved it. I wanted Telangana to be created. Now I want change in Indian politics. I'll do my best.
Tell me one thing, you're a warrior. More than 30 years you struggled for Telangana.
Yeah.
How does it feel now to you? That you have got it?
I'm extremely happy. Pranayji, let me tell you with very proud. 3.5 years back, there was a turmoil for power in the state. Lot of outages, lot of crisis. Today, nothing other than the Electricity Authority of India, not me, declared that per capita power utilization in the whole country, Telangana stands number 1. We are above the national average. We are above the average of any other state. And today, I am supplying power to Rajasthan for 2 months.
One sec for the economics is
This
one
is
side.
one.
What about the emotion? The emotion. How do you feel emotionally about Telangana?
We are channelizing the emotion into a concrete development. We are successful in implementing irrigation projects. We have undertaken so many welfare schemes because the things were very vulnerable when we separated from Andhra Pradesh. Poorness was very high. There were starvation deaths. People were committing suicides. Even farmers committed suicides. Weavers were committing suicides. Now everything has come to a standstill. Everything stopped now. No suicides, no starvation deaths in the state of Telangana. I can say it with proud. Definitely.
So you said that Chandrababu Naidu is creating a lot of obstacles. What's been your experience dealing with Mr. Modi's central government? Have they been helpful or have they also
Initially, Mr. Modi was
Giving
also
trouble.
non-cooperative. Yes, for 1 year. They have also gave us a lot of trouble. See, according to the State Reorganization Act, they were supposed to give us 51% of power. Mr. Chandrababu Naidu denied it. I wrote 50 letters. My MPs went, met the Prime Minister so many times. He was just uncared for 1 year. And at the instance of Chandrababu Naidu, he has taken away 7 mandals from the state, including the pilgrimage town of Bhadrachalam. Half of the town has been chased by Mr. Modi. He has given it to Andhra. Yes,
So
And
you're
now
still fighting.
we are still fighting.
you said first year he was bad and second year did he get better or worse?
Who?
Mr. Modi.
Yes, then he understood the things. When we represented time and again, they understood the things, and now they are coming to a crux.
So would you, if necessary, ally with the BJP front in the future?
See, Pranay ji, I am very clear in my mind. Very, very clear. I am amply clear. We will not align with anybody. We will align with the masses of India. I will declare my agenda, what it is going to be. I will fully let you know. There will be a full length of press conference in Delhi, not in Hyderabad.
So between the two parties, you say both are evils. Don't give me the answer that both are equally bad. On a scale of 10, which one is worse? Congress and
Both
BJP?
are more than worse.
More than worse.
They are for
willing to do
centralizing.
business with the
They are
BJP
for
at some
centralizing the powers. They are not doing what they are supposed to do. They don't want to finish the Pakistan issue. They have no guts, and they play silly politics by way of
How
centralizing the
will you
powers.
finish the Pakistan issue?
We will finish. We will tell.
And what do
There
you
are
think?
Ram
ways.
Temple issue, sir.
See,
Or Ayodhya issue.
Ayodhya issue is not my issue. I'm sorry. It's not people's issue. It's a silly political issue played by BJP.
What do
When
you think?
election come near, they start telling Ram Temple.
We've heard
Why election?
We've heard your views on Rahul Gandhi. What do you think of Sonia Gandhi?
Sonia Gandhi, of course, was a different woman. She was a bit magnanimous. Yes, I certainly say that. I was associated with her for quite some time. She was not that bad.
I think after
You gave her credit actually for giving Telangana.
I
at that
did
time.
so. I did so. It's a fact.
so
It's a
if
fact.
if she asks you, you may ally.
I will not now because the time has gone. I requested her what transpired in between
Time
me and
has gone.
Sonia Gandhi. That was in 2014.
Tell us what happened.
They did not hear to me. They did not follow me. They chose a different way, and they were a utter flop. And one thing, let me tell you, Pranayji, very clearly. Had I not contested independently in 2014, the BJP would have swept over the polls here in Telangana, like elsewhere in India. It's me who saved the state from the BJP.
So what is the sorry?
No, please.
What is the one thing in this election, few days to go, that worries you? One thing worries you.
What do you mean by one thing?
Any one thing that when you go to bed you think I'm thoda worried. That is one thing I
I am
worry.
least worried.
No, one small
I am
thing.
least worried because
When it
nobody is a
fits-
real contestant. Nobody is a match to TRS. TRS has proved. Yes,
No worries.
no worry at all.
So while you have done a very very planned, targeted, reaching out to several segments of the population. The accusation against you has been that from a revenue-rich state, you're converting it into a state that is going to be in huge debt.
See, people hardly have to understand. Most unfortunately, our political leaders are so short-sighted. Who is the biggest debt-bearing country today? That's America. The next one is China. Japan has crossed more than 400%. What is this silly debt? It's all rubbish, you know. People hardly know the economics, hardly understand the international trends. What is the silly debt? Is it the old communist kind of thing? What is propagated? Over your head, this much burden is there. It's all silly rubbish. That's what I am going to make clear to the nation. Yes, that's what is going to be a federal front, I am telling you. There are very serious issues.
So one thing in your distribution of your, many of them excellent welfare scheme, not everybody has got it.
Everybody
so
has
the
got
people
it.
who don't, they feel, I didn't get it, he got it, and they feel the poorer have not
Pranay,
got
let me
it.
tell you one thing. I am very clear in my mind. Today, the pensions what we extend as a welfare measure reached about 40 lakh people.
Yes.
40 lakh people.
Pensions are.
There are so many other schemes. Raitu Bandhu. It has the acclaim of even UNO.
But
UNO.
taps
Yeah,
in
58
villages,
lakh farmers.
the water to every house.
It
they
has
need
gone.
To have taps but no water. We have seen.
90% has gone. 90% has gone. It is yet to complete. Mission
And this
Bhagirath is
2
yet to complete.
BHK, only 20,000 of 2 BHK.
See, my request to you would be, it's a philosophy. There's a great philosophy behind the 2 BHK. It's a silly thing that is only 20,000 or 10,000. Somebody counts the number. I don't understand that because the very philosophy of 2 BHK is to improve the dignity of the poor, number one. Please, bear with me. Improve the dignity of the woman. If it's a single room house, how the woman is expected to change her clothes there? So what we are trying to do is, Congress and TDP both, when they were ruling the state, they gave single room houses and they eaten away so much of money in the name of people. Thousands of crores of camps. One constituency by name Manthani, you can go and inquire. The governments, erstwhile governments have constructed 140% of houses over there. 140. Still, when I go to Manthani, people come with applications to me, please sanction a house. So it was irony. What we are doing now is, they extended the scheme. Some part of the scheme, part of the cost was loan. People used to bear the loan. I have waived of the loan about 4,000 crores. Now we are giving it by 100% subsidy. Our target to complete 2,60,000 houses in this term. Yes,
In this next term.
this term only,
Right.
ongoing term. 1 lakh houses are under construction. You can go and see one place in Kolluru of Hyderabad. It is very much in Hyderabad.
I saw it yesterday.
Yes, 15,600 houses are under construction. And there are constructions around Hyderabad, about 100 places, 109 places, double bedroom houses are there. Because the scheme took time to take off.
One of the criticisms against you, even though your schemes are well received, is that you're inaccessible, that you're spending time in your
I am
farmhouse and that-
inaccessible because I cannot spend time with the gupshup kind of erstwhile political leaders, you know. I was supposed to plan. Yes, I was supposed to plan the state. It was very critical because Telangana was never a state before. There was no basis for me to assess the finances of the state.
थोड़ा गपशप होनी चाहिए ना.
थोड़ा सा होता भी होगा थोड़ा आगे चल
अभी होने
थोड़ा
का
हम लोग सुधर गए थोड़ा पट्टियों पे आ गए
मौका है.
initially the way Chandrababu Naidu was giving me trouble, the way Mr. Modi was non-cooperative. Pranay ji, understand one thing. I was forced, we were all forced to land in the Supreme Court of India for the bifurcation of the High Court.
Right.
Again, now it is on the cards because of the judgment by the Supreme Court of India. So how much trouble we were facing?
So you're not like Jayalalitha that shut herself off. Nobody can reach her.
It's not like that. I am available to the needy. I am not available to the gupshup kind of thing. Yes, I will tell you one
Gupshup's
thing.
a need also.
Then please, I will tell you, let me tell you one thing. There are no playing card clubs in Hyderabad now. There is no Gudumba Danda. There are no pyro cars. There used to be thousands of pyro cars in Hyderabad city. No single pyro car is not there. Brokers, pyro car means brokers.
Yeah.
Yes. All around secretariat, they used to be there. Uma Sudhir knows it. Now no single person can be seen in the secretariat. No pyro cars, no Gudumba, no rowdies, no gangsters, no single incidents of communal violence. All this because of the firm administration. Yes,
So
definitely.
what's your ideology, your party's ideology? Left, right, center, what is it?
My ideology is human angle. human approach, which is lagging, which is lacking. These both parties, very headstrong parties, their policy is to centralize the powers with the government of India, which is totally wrong in a democracy, in a vast democracy like India.
Each state there should be regional, you're saying.
The Prime Minister has been actually quite personal in his attack on you, saying that you are believing astrologers and that you are not going to the Secretariat.
It is my headache. It is not the headache of Mr. Modi. If I conduct Yaga, what is wrong with Mr. Modi? If he comes, he can have some prasadam and tirth here. Yes, I will give him, like I am giving to so many thousands who are coming there. What is wrong with Modi? This is all silly, you know. I have a question, strong question to Mr. Modi. Today in India, 19 states are ruled by BJP. Can he show one single welfare measure on par with Telangana in all the 19 states? Is there Raitu Bandhu scheme?
He said
Is
you
there a
lack
Asara
self-confidence for
pension?
not allowing their health scheme to be
One
used here.
single, it's a silly third class scheme, you know. My scheme, which is Arogyasri, is much more superior to his scheme. Much more superior to Ayushman Bharat. If I adopt his scheme, 80% of beneficiaries of my scheme will be put to loss.
Why do you call it third class?
Because it has no integrated approach, you know. They give a scheme, popular scheme, but they put up 100 conditions. Here it is not like that. We say Raitu Bandhu, straight goes to the account. The check straight goes to the farmer.
Okay, sir.
Our approach is straight.
We've taken a lot of your time. You give us one headline before leaving. Headline.
India needs to change. The beginning will be from Hyderabad, from the result of this election.
Thank you very much. Thank you very
Thank you.
much. Thank you. Thank you.